What's up, brick builders? Today's build is the mini container truck, set number 8065. The year it came out was 2011. Age group is 7 to 14, so not a very technical build. Number of parts is 119. Quite a few parts for a little build like this. Parts per piece is 8 pence per piece, which is pretty good. I'm not too sure about the price because of the size of this vehicle, but you know. Its cost is $8.99 if you bought it in 2011. And right now the value of it is, if you had one brand new sealed boxed, £18.90. Can't see too much of an investment in this one, unfortunately. Used, you're looking at about £4.58 to £5.99. So again, not a massive increase in value there. Hello. Right, here we go. We got all our parts here. Well, some of the parts. The rest of the parts are all spread around. We got 2 books. It does have an alternate build. These are very much smaller books than what we've been dealing with in the past. So this one here we will start with. And it's kind of a one-off because you can actually see the whole instructions this time. Okay, so we're looking for L shape and a blue pin with axle. There's a blue pin with axle there, and an L shape, which is right there. The blue pin is going to go in here, axle way. Like that. And then we've got a 4-axle, which is black, right here. And that's going to go in the top of the L shape. And it's going to kind of go off center. And then we've got the black piece here. And that is going to drop down like that and lock in with the blue piece as well, because the blue piece was slightly sticking out. So we got that. Then we got another blue pin with axle and another L shape. So L shape goes on first. Oops. Like so. And then the same again. So it kind of looks symmetrical. Well, it is symmetrical. Then we got a pin with a stopper. It's not showing the size of it, which is unusual. Pin with a stopper. Do I have them over this side? Yes, I do. I'm going to guess that it's this one, and it's going to go through there like that. So that would have been nice if they'd have shown the shape, the length of that pin. All right, so then we got a grey screw and then a connector. We got the connector here, and the grey screws are here. So the grey screw is going to go on the end, like so, and then black connector is going to go on the end like so. And then we got a 13 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One of those. It's going to sit on 2 holes from the rear, 2 holes from the end, and it's going to go in the 3rd hole with the blue pin. So it's kind of giving you an idea of the size of the truck now. It's about half a hand of mine. Technical measurements there. Okay, so we want 2 red flat 3s and 4 axle, grey Technic colour like those two, and 2 blue pins with axle. There we go. Okay, so this looks like this goes centre like that, and then take a red 3, push it through the axle hole, and then the blue pin is going to go in the bottom there like that, and then we've got the next grey piece sitting on the end of the blue axle, and then capping it off with another red 3, holding that in place, and then another blue axle in there, holding both those 2 pieces in place. So it looks like that. And then this is joining the black 13. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going in on the 6th hole. Blue pin. Like that. It looks like that sleeve is lining up with that hole there, and then we're going to have another axle going through. Yeah, we got a short axle, so a grey 3. We got a moon gear like that, and that's going to go on the end. So axle through first into the connector, and then the moon gear on the end like that. So that turns the screw. If you can see that moving very, there you go, cool. And we got some wheels going on. So this is a very clever use of the wheels. So you got like the shallow spokes, it's like 6 spokes, or is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 spokes. But in this model, you're going to reverse the wheel, and you're going to be using that. So you got like what looks like fake wheel nut type thing. So it looks like truck wheels as opposed to car wheels. It's kind of cool. That is kind of cool. Gives that depth as well. So we want 2 of these, and 2 of those dark grey pins with stoppers, and 2 fire hydrant looking things. And we're going to build 2 of these. So grey stopper is going to go through here because it sits smoothly in there. Let's see that. That's what that's designed for. And then going to drop that in through the axle, and then pop this on top like that. So that's how it looks. And we're going to do 2 of those. So 1, 2. And these are going to fit on the end of this axle here. Interesting. Like, I guess we're building it upside down. And those are kind of giving like the look maybe of the airbags or air brakes. Pretty cool. Okay, so one of those black bricks with an axle on the end. Where's this going to go? Oh, on here. push that axle through just a bit more. And then we got another wheel going on. So we get another pin. And drop that through again. And a sleeve. So this is going to go through there. And then the sleeve there. I can see what's going on here. We're going to do another pin here and stuff, and that will join and make the axle. So pop that on there like that, and then the axle is going to run through there. So we need another pin. Drop that through. Got to try and spin it, locate that hole, push it through. Perfect. There we go. Nice. So set that aside. We've got a 6 axle. I don't think I pulled one of those out. There's one there. And 2 of these connector bricks here. And 2 grey short pins. So I say they're grey short. They're short on, really short on one end. You can see that sleeve there. So this whole piece fits through a brick, and then this piece sticks out just like that, and then something will connect on the side of it. For the most part, that's how those are used at the moment, from what I've seen. Used them a couple of times, not very often. And so we got these 2 going on here, kind of central. Get them centralized like that. And then these 2 grey pieces are going to go through the bottom holes of those red connectors like that. Like, see what I mean by they just stick out and they're fully in the other side there. Turn that page, and then this is going to go upside down. And second hole. Okay, something's going to line up here. We're going to probably have some more pins going through here to locate that. This will be number 4 from the James York Challenge. Yes, it will, because we had the buggy, the helicopter, and the red arrow. Yeah, so this is number 4. I think the next build's a small build as well. So yeah, we got 2 of these that are going to go in the back of this to lock that in place. Like so. And now that's solid. How many builds do you think there are left? There's about, you know what, I don't know. I'm going to say there's about 20. Now we're on a roll now with them, so okay, and then still upside down, we're going to put black brick on the end of this facing down. So it's like that. So it's probably like a mud guard. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah. Yeah, he's got some really good stuff. He really has got some really good stuff. I'm looking forward to doing more. Okay, and then this is going to go on the end of this grey axle here like that, and so is this one. So it could be the front. This could be the front, like a bumper. Right, turn the model over. We've already done that. Put the black 13, only black 13 left, on the other side. There we go. And then again, cap that off with another brick facing down. I'm thinking that's the front. I am thinking that's the front. This looks like it tips up. This looks like it tips back, I think. Can't move the screw. No, nothing's happening. Okay. Nothing's happening yet. But it might. It might. Are you saving the best till last? No, I'm just picking the first. Actually, the way I'm doing it is I'm picking the first instructions that are in the box. He's got 3 boxes of instructions. So I'm just working on one box and just taking the first instructions on top. So it's very random. Another 7. Looks like we did get the 7 axles. And a grey fire hydrant this time instead of a... I think it looks like a fire hydrant. Like American fire hydrant or something like that. They have nicknames. And that. So pop this on the end. Like that. And this on the end. Like that. Gotta love the mystery. Yes. Yes. And this could go in front of the blue pin. So it's going to cut across these two and in like that. Okay. Is that going to act as a lever? Oh, we got a gear that's going in there. Okay. So pull that back a little bit and we got a dark bluish grey gear. Small dark bluish grey gear. Try and find it. There we go. I may have located that wrong. I put the want to keep the axle straight, so I got to rotate the gear. Now this is quite fiddly, I'm gonna have to say. I got it the first time, but it was in the wrong place. Kind of winding it forward. I got it. I got it. Perfect. Right. Hello, Zbax. Zbax. How you doing? That is a name from the past. All right, book 2. Woohoo! Already. What is going on? Hey, good, thank you. Yeah, I'm good. I'm very well. What have you been up to? I don't think you've popped in and seen us since we've retired. Still no functionality yet, but there is something going on here. There is something going on. And so then we got... I think this is the first time we've seen an actual Lego brick. Yeah, you haven't come in for a while. Yeah. Oh, it's good to see you. I hope everything's well and that you are coping with the weather. We got these 2 plates here, special tiles actually. They have a really good function in Lego. because they act as grills, they act as brilliant detail pieces. But yeah, this is the first time, let it be known, this is the first time we've actually used a proper old school Lego brick. It's all been Technic so far. So woo woo. And then we got these other Lego pieces. Say Lego, non-Technic. Woot! Trust Aid to hide in the background there and wait until a proper Lego piece is being used. How you doing, DJ? And then I say these two grey pins, like I was saying to you, that stick out just a little bit. They all sometimes they have things attached to them. This is what it's going to do. It's going to attach the front like that. Those are really cool pins. They really are cool pins. I've seen them a lot in modular buildings and stuff like that, because it does just this. It faces things. Zed, thank you so much for the sub. I haven't had a sub in I'm gonna say I haven't had a sub in a year or so. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Much love. Thank you. Zed, we're also on YouTube, mate. We record these videos, put them on YouTube. I've got quite a few videos out there right now with Lego builds, because that's what we do now. We're not trophy hunting. Well deserved. I appreciate it. So yeah, check out the YouTube channel. Yeah, it's BRIT'N Bricks as well on there. I think also the YouTube link on the About Me at the bottom in the in the channel information area on Twitch, that works there, and so does the Discord. We got the Discord up there. It's just me. There's a bunch of friends on there that's shown their Lego builds and stuff like that. It's actually quite a good Discord. I don't say it's too busy, but it's active. It's quite active. So yeah, check that out if you like as well, Zed. And if you do Lego, or you're interested or something like that, you can show your builds on there. But yeah, there you go. I like those pins, because that's kind of the detail it will do. Very simple kit. Already looks pretty cool, actually. It looks pretty decent quality. So the next piece is 2 red pins, long pins with collars. So that's these 2. Usually we've been using these a lot with black and light bluish grey. And it looks like these are going to go in the front here. Not all the way, because these are locating pins. The purpose of them is to sit like that, then you pop something in here or something like that, just for example, and then you push it straight through and it locks. So that's kind of the purpose of these pins. I am no Lego Technic expert, but I am learning what these particular parts do. So then we're building a cage, or looks like a bit of framework. So we need 2 not so angled. I'm just going to call those not so angled. 2 red pins with axles on the end. 2 grey fire hydrant like things, like that. 2 crankshaft pieces. Yeah, these took me ages to find. Followage. Yeah, probably haven't been following for a while, and I don't have. So there's a lot of commands that I don't have up working Zed after I retired trophy hunting. It's just been like a place of chat. People can watch, hang out. It's nothing major. It's no monetizing. It's no, yeah. It's just chill. So there's a lot of features that I don't have. So it looks a bit like that. And then we've got the grey Yeah, a lot of things have changed, mate. A lot of things have changed. While we were away, when we were making the move to back to the UK from Arizona, the channel basically died, and yeah, I still trophy hunted for a bit, and it was getting too demanding on my time and money and stuff like that. We just chill now. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Yeah, it was getting demanding on the time, family, and money. I could have gone further, but it would have started to affect us. But we came and did what we were meant to do, and that's like, you know, be top 1,000 trophy hunter in the world. And I was like, do I need to go? Do I want to go further? I was like, nah. Yeah, I just weighed up like the cost of it, and nah. So here you go. That's pretty interesting, I think. Like I say, I really do like part usage in this set so far. They've reversed the wheels, the car wheels, so you got like that truck depth wheels, which is really cool, and the little pins there to make this fascia. There's a lot of pieces in here that I'm really quite impressed on how they've used it. So we've got a 5-axle from there and a 4 flat, and the 5-axle is going to go in. And I just wanted to get an idea of how long I've been following. You've been following. So we changed the name twice because we were all or nothing, because we changed from trophy hunting to go into 100% finishing out games. And then I was like, you know what? I really, really want to build Lego. I really want to build Lego. So it took a little while for my brand to come through that I could, you know, change my name back to a different thing. So we went from obviously SinnTrophyHunter to All or Nothing. It's All or Nothing. And then it went from It's All or Nothing to BRIT'N Bricks. And that is now my brand on YouTube. That is now my brand on Bricklink. It's now my brand anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, it's looking sweet. It is actually looking pretty cool for a cheap set. Got some decent parts in it. So then we got an L5 by 3, so 5 holes by 3. It sits like that, and then we got this grey collar going on the end here. Did you see the red arrow that we did, Aid? That's in the Discord now. That was a lot bigger than I thought it was. Always seems to be a trend there. Okay, and then we're going to put one of these pieces and pop it that way, and then put another. Yeah, most excellent. Yeah, it is actually quite cool. It's actually quite cool. I did find the black tubing for the canopy and managed to finish it off before I set the photos into Discord. And then we've got another grey 5. Definitely worth its money as well. That helicopter though, I think is the best one so far, in my opinion. I mean, the buggy's good, but the helicopter, that was immense. But for the price, it was just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. 70 quid for over 1,000 pieces. Like that. I think that goes all the way down. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave that like that for now. Okay, so then we got these pieces here. These are usually used as feet or claws. You can see that. But I wonder what they're going to use on this. So it's the first time I've used these. So we got a 7-axle. It's going to go on the end of the 7-axle, like so. Then we got this curved piece. We used these in the helicopter. We used we used yellow ones, didn't we, to form the curvature of the front of the helicopter from the sides. They're really cool pieces. And I think it's going to go like that. Interesting. I'm intrigued. And then we got a 5-axle, so it's a bit of a shorter one. Yep. It's going to go in the lower curved side like that. And then this is going to go into the L shape. Yeah, so this goes all the way back, because look at the picture here. You can see that plate's all the way back. Like that. And then we're going to pop this on like so. Oh, that's cool. Nice bit of framework. Nice little bit of framework with a little bit of detail finish in here. Blue 3. The blue 3 is going to go off there and inwards like that. And we got black 4-axle in the bucket. Black 4-axle, last one. Grey connector, last one. Red sleeve. And that looks like a moon gear. I'm going to pick up a moon gear and just try it out and see what happens. And a black connector, which we have here. So it's these pieces here. And so black connector on the end of the axle. That's the trend. Then we got the sleeve going over here to extend the distance. This is going to go straight through here, so it's free rolling. Okay. And then we got the gear on the end of it. Moon gear sits perfectly, so I'm guessing that was the right gear. And then this is going to sit on this axle here that we just put in, like so. Interesting. Is this the cab we're building? Is that what we're building? Is that... could be the cab. I think it's the cab. There's a lot to it. Hey! Thanks so much for the subscription, mate. Thank you so much, Zed. This is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. What was that? That's 108 now. Woo! It was blowing up at one point. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, what's up, Nocti? I think all these Technic builds are for hot climate countries. The cabs are full of air conditioning. You might be right. You might be right. You think they've anticipated the hot weather that we're going to be getting? Yeah. I don't know if I would like a cab like that, to be honest with you. I do like a little bit of air conditioning, but... and I mean, the weather that we've got right now, it's going to be a warm night at work tonight. I thought it was warm yesterday. When I started work, it was 20 degrees. I was like, whew. And that's at night, you know. Okay, so these pieces here, it's going to cap off. And looks like we're going to start building the other side like this. It's going to be on here. And then this piece is going to join these two axles together. And the hole this hole here is going to line up with that cog or that connector, like so. So we're going to have another axle going through here. It's supposed to be even hotter tomorrow. Really? I thought that Friday was... No, is it Friday? It's Friday today, isn't it? Forecast for 32 degrees here tomorrow. Ouch. I mean, I thought 20 was... Oh, well. That's going to be fun. So we want a red 3, a fire hydrant, and a red sleeve. So the fire hydrant's going to go on first, at the top here, on that. And then the sleeve is going to go here. So yeah, we're mirror image building the other side now. And then the red 3 on there. Next thing I would think is probably the L 5x3. I guess I was wrong. It's the extension going up the top here. I'm going to put a bar across here as well. So that's a 5. Yep. And that's going to go. I'm going to put these two pieces on first. Pop that on and that on. So, oops, centralize it. So it's like a little bit more. There we go. Centralize it like that. So what's everybody doing in this hot weather? Is anybody actually chilling in the garden with a beer? Like that. I would like a garden for a start. That would be cool. And a beer. But with the job that I have, that's a no-brainer. And then that goes across like that. And then I'm guessing that piece and then that piece. Been even hotter than that for us. It's tomorrow we set fire to... Yeah, I should have not read that out. I'm sorry. I have to read things before, but I didn't go all the way. There we go. And yeah, I'm feeling that that's the cab. Definitely the cab. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, so those are done. So we got 2 blue pins with axles. As you can see, not many parts left, so it looks like it's all going to be coming together very soon. Axle piece in first, and then black 5 going across the top. Okay, that's interesting. Not feeling that. How's that look like a cab now? It don't, does it? Oh, it's that way. This is gonna be like headlights or something. It's that way. I always thought it was that way, but it's that way. See that? Front windscreen. Mind you, free bar, but hang on a minute, I'm paying the tab. Yeah. Be a good send off. And another moon gear. And I guess this is going to be the control gear. And this is going to go... Where is this going to go? Through there. See, it's the control gear, look. Everything else is kind of covered. What's up, game 6911? How you doing? How you doing in this weather? I seem to have got the wrong pin here. I should have a blue pin with an axle. That's okay. There's not one too far away. And the blue pin with the axle is going to go into this grey piece here. Just give me a second, folks. I'm winning something on eBay at the moment. Something that's really cool. And I really want it. It's got 2 minutes left and I'm winning. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that for a bit now. It's got 2 minutes left, so... Hey Siri, set a timer for 50 seconds.
15 minutes
no.
and 50 seconds, starting now.
Damn it, that was my fault. I do apologise for cursing there. I'm going to put it at 39 seconds. That's 39 minutes. Let's go with 32 seconds. That brings me to 1 minute. Your time is up. No. Do you remember that? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I remember that I was always run by time. Boat number 6. Your time is up. We ain't got a boat number. No, it's supposed to be boat number 9. Boat number 9. Okay. That again is the timer. Going to do another 34 seconds. Have a quick look. We are still the highest bidder at the moment. I'm going to put it to 30. Timer 15 seconds. 15 seconds. I've put my bid up to 35. Oh, it's gone up to 35. I've been outbid. £36 it went for, and I got beaten. Darn it. It had some really good pieces in it as well. I'm gutted about that. That definitely was worth 50 quid, but I didn't have that much money. Live stream, how to win something off eBay. Yeah, how to. I didn't win, so you're all right. You're all right. So it looks like this is going to attach to there, and like I say, these pins. Now you got something on there. Yeah, how not to win. Yes. Yes. Ooh, that's cool. So it kind of, the blue pin's going to lock into that. So you got to drop it in backwards first, and then the gear drops in, and then you just push these two forward, and it locks it in place. That's awesome. Yep, how not to. So look at that. That is some flawless movement. That's really cool. Alright, so the next thing is 2 black pins. We got 1, 2. And these are going to go on. Oh, we've got to wind this actually down. and then put these in here. Yeah, when I put 35 in, I was like a bit worried because the thing is, you can't put too much in that you can't afford, you know. Alright, and then attach the bucket. So here's the bucket. We got these 2 bricks with holes in them, Technic bricks. It's actually the first time we've used Technic bricks, not Technic parts, Technic bricks. He's got quite a bit of Technic bricks as well, and they're going to go on top like that. Auction ended, yeah, I know, don't rub it in. And then that's going to go across like that, and I put the collar. If you do not fail, you not learn. No, it's just that, you know, I know that the thing with like eBay is that you've got to learn your limits, and it is so easy to overspend what you shouldn't spend. And you know that there was a lot of really good parts in there, a lot of parts that I needed for my builds and stuff, but I really don't think I got like 40 quid to spend on it. 30, yes, but yeah, when I put 35 in, I was like hoping that it weren't going to go 35, but it did. Okay, so how does this work? Alright, so this. Okay, so these got to be pulled away just a touch, obviously to make the rotation. Yeah, knowing your limits is the thing. Okay, so what does this do? It should hook it up, right? Okay. It's not quite hooked it because those are in just a bit. There we go. Try that. All right. Here you go. Test. This is the test. So we go. Here comes Sean. Blah, 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 blah. He's got to back up onto it. Rough backing up there. All right. Go deploy the arms. Backs up. Guess you got to line those black pins up with the black blocks. Those are kind of a marker for it, maybe. I don't know. And then successfully. Nope. Yes. It's going to work. It's going to work. Ooh, it's close. Ah, yes. And it's locked in place. Kinda. I mean, it's... There you go. It's locked in place. That is really cool. And there you go. Whoop, whoop. I know. That was actually really cool. Let's see if I can deploy it. That's the thing. All right. Okay, okay, that's got some playability to it. I like that. That is quite fun. That is quite fun. Well done, James. Well done. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And it looks really kind of cool as well. I think with a little bit of mocking, you know, with a little bit of your own personal touch, you could put some headlight pieces in there just to make that a little bit more trucky, and you could probably do something here for some rear lights. Something very easy, something branching off here and here, or just across here, to put some red clear plates on there. Don't think there's anything else that you could do, because it would start to interfere with the design of the arm. You might be able to put a part going across here just to build that cab up a little bit. So another 1x3 Technic bar across there on either side, just to build that up and give it a little bit of a wheel arch and bridge that gap there. That'd be kind of cool. What else could you do to it? I don't think there's really room for a diesel tank or something that resembles like a diesel tank, because it will get in the way of the swing arm. But yeah, what a cool build. A can of expanding foam to fill the holes in. Yes, you know, that would be really, really good, wouldn't it? And I think that would raise the value of James's Lego. And there you go, folks. That is it. How about windscreen? I don't know how you would do that. I mean, you could go out of the box of Lego and cut an acetate sheet, and you could put it in between, because there's like these like runners there. You could put it in between the runners, so you could have actually an acetate screen kind of curve. Be a bit chilly, yeah. Well, you know, this might be in like some real hot place, like India. India's hot, isn't it? A lot of their trucks don't have windows. And ooh, that's a cool one. I don't know if he's got that. That looks like a cool helicopter, actually. See that? Don't know if he's got that. That does look cool. Not great when it rains. No. So you want a place that don't rain, like Africa. Africa would probably be a good place for a windowless truck. And I think this is a 2-in-1 build as well. So there is an alternate build. We'll find the instructions for it when we do. Then we'll do the alternate build on the video. So folks, this is really cool. I love it. I think it would have done, or it did do well when it first came out, and a lot of people would be picking this up. It does open my eyes up to other small mini Technic sets that are out there at the moment that don't look overly great, but when you actually see it, play with it, build it, that kind of thing, it is actually pretty darn cool. And it looks nice. I love this. I love this set. It's dare I say it, it's kind of a cute truck. Let me know what you think, folks. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Don't be shy. And if you haven't already and you would like to, please hit that subscribe button. And you could follow us on twitch.tv as well, BRIT'N Bricks. Right, I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much, folks. Have yourself a wonderful day. I'm Sean, BRIT'N Bricks. Bye.